What are multivalued attributes? A multivalued attribute is an attribute that can have more than one value for a single entity in a database. Unlike regular attributes that hold just one value, these attributes allow for multiple entries. For example, imagine we are designing a database for a library. A book entity might have a keyword attribute, which could include multiple values like database concept, ER diagrams, and relational schema. Here, keyword is a multivalued attribute because it can hold more than one value. Let's take another example. In the above library database, a member entity might have a telephone attribute which could include multiple telephone numbers. So telephone is a multivalued attribute because it can hold more than one value. Understood? Here you can see in the ER diagrams, multivalued attributes are represented by a double oval connected to the entity. This visually signifies that the attribute can hold multiple values. The student with multiple phone numbers. Now let's see how to map multivalued attributes in ER diagrams. Here only telephone has multiple values. Other attributes are simple attributes. So we should create a schema for member entity and include all key attributes and simple non-key attributes for that. Here member ID is the key. That's why I underlined it. Next we create a new schema to input multivalued attributes. See, I created member telephone schema. The multivalued attribute should include as a composite primary key with the key attribute of member entity. So I have underlined both member ID and telephone together. Here no redundancy because this has already been normalized. Understood? Carefully watch this example also. I think this video also very helpful because it is very short and clear with examples. So that like, share and subscribe for more database tips. Put a comment for short topics you want to study clearly.